Welcome back to Fast. Let's get set up for tomorrow's big trading session following today's drop. What is the first thing you're watching ahead of that opened? Guy?
Well, Dan mentioned that I wear something around the neck. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering what that is. It's a name tag, so I remember who I am. At my age, that typically happens, number one. Number two, I'll be watching the Russell. Now, I think the IWM will tell you whether or not this move in rates is because the economy's getting better, which is obviously would be supportive of economically sensitive names, or if it's more a price thing, which should be a detrimental. So for me, amongst many things, it would be the IWM.
Tim?
You know, clearly the dollar is something that I think could be taking the next leg higher. A stock that we haven't mentioned, this is kind of a Dan statement, but Amazon may be one of the most important stocks or important charts to look at right now. If you think about it, it's about to break the 200. A stock that's done nothing. It's 8% of the NASDAQ, and it's certainly emblematic of a lot of the things that could be under pressure here. So I'm watching Amazon.
Dan, since you said it was sort of a Dan statement, I'll let you go next.
I love it. Any Dan statement is a good statement to me. Guy, it was a handkerchief ascot, and you probably do wear those. No, I'm watching rates here. Usually in a sell-off like this, we might see yields going lower, flight to quality for bonds, but we've seen them gone up over the last few days for all the things that we've just talked about here. I think the best thing for equities right now would be rates stabilizing a little bit.
Karen, how about you?
I actually think that the reaction to the Micron news is kind of interesting because we've seen a bunch of companies now that talk about supply chain problems, and that hurt their quarter. This quarter is okay, but the future quarter is looking murky because of that. I actually think if that trade's okay, you could see a turnaround in the SMH, which I think would be important.
Yep. And Karen, by the way, you're also looking, you would look for the opportunity to add to Facebook, right?
Yes, I would.
Tomorrow's session, we shall see. Going to be a big day.